Good morning, teacher and classmate. We are group 3. Today I am going to talk about collaborative work and its importance in academic and professional environments. Next. What is collaborative work? Collaborative work is a way of working where people share ideas, responsibilities, and tasks to achieve a common goal. Each member contributes with their skill and knowledge, and everyone work together as a team. Collaborative work is very, very important. Next. Collaborative work in my core accounting. In my core, collaborative work is essential since accounting involves many interconnected processes. For these processes to be carried out efficiently. Coordination among the different areas that make up the accounting team is fundamental. Such as billing, treasury, financial administration, accounting, and the support role of the accounting aspect. Each team member is responsible for a specific task, such as data analysis, calculation, or presentation of information. Working is a team helps reduce errors and improves the quality of the final work. Next.
Okay, to begin this slide, it shows how collaboration in system engineering starts, even before we code or write a final document. In simple terms, teamwork begins when we agree on what problem we are trying to solve. On the left side of the image, we can see stakeholders sharing ideas and expectations. These ideas are usually vague, like the system should be fast or the application should be easy to use. If the team starts working directly with these vague ideas, each member may interpret them differently. That is why collaboration at this stage is about transforming needs into clear and measurable requirements. In the center of the image represents the step of defining clear requirements with acceptance criteria. This means that the team agrees on what done really means, not just finish the future. Then the arrow shows how requirements are connected to design, implementation, and testing. This is what we call traceability. In system engineering, every requirement should be linked to a design decision, a piece of implementation. Finally, the bottom part of the image represents change control. Changes are normal in real projects, but without control, projects becomes chaotic. With a simple change process, the team can evaluate impact, update requirement, and keep everyone aligned. Next slide, please. Now, this slide shows another key idea in system engineering. Collaboration is not only dividing tasks, but about making all parts work together as one system. At the top of the image, we see interface definition. This represents how team members agree on APIs, data forms, naming convention, and model boundaries. When interfaces are defined early, each person can work independently, but still remains compatible with the rest of the system. If interfaces are not clear, integration becomes painful and time-consuming. In the center, the image shows integration and configuration. This is where individual modules are combined into a single system. In real project, it's not enough that something works on one person computer. The team needs consistent versions. consistent files, and common structure. This avoids last-minute problems caused by small inconsistent. On the right side, the image represents verification and validation. Verification means checking if we build system correctly. Validation means checking if we build the right system for the user's needs. In collaboration work, this requires tests, case evidence, and simple reports. This steps collaboration from opinions to proof. Finally, the bottom part shows the retrospective after integration uses of delays the team briefly. Reflect on what we went wrong and what we can improve. This feedback loop creates continuous improvement so the team becomes more effective in the next integration instead of repeating the same mistakes. Next. Thank you, and next.
Continuing the presentation, collaborative working system and computer engineering. Now, I will explain how collaborative work is important in system and computer engineering. In system and computer engineering, collaborative work is very important because most projects are developed in teams. For example, software application, system design, and technology projects require different roles such as programmers, analysts, and tester. Collaborative work allows team members to share ideas and solve problems together. Each person has a specific responsibility which help reduce errors and improve the quality of the project. Is important or essential to coordinate tasks and meet the deadlines. In addition, collaborative work helps prevent academic dishonesty and plagiarism. When tasks are divided clearly and students work together responsibly, each member contributes their work and knowledge. In conclusion, collaborative work is essential in system and computer engineering because it improves communication, responsibility, and professional skills. Thank you.